Hey guys, I was inspired by some video, and based on that, I made this, and now I'm gonna show how I did it with Angular. So if you wanna know, stay tuned and let's start. So that is the demo. So I'm gonna comment it out and on comment the Scratch component. And I'll just use a little bit. Okay. As you can see, that's before I actually. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the component. So if you remember the animation, there was like a box, and box has a width. So I'm gonna define a variable width, and define a variable height. We don't need relation this, and this calibration is later when they stack each other, I will have to vertically arrange, like they are stack each other, and the gap between stack to the box to box, that's gonna be my calibration. I just named the calibration. And there is another variable that is length. The length is a number of a stack. So if we set that to 9, we're gonna see 9 boxes. If we set it to 5, then we see 5 boxes. And probably we only has to index this length. I need it. I don't think I need the last index. And create only array sequence. I'm gonna create an empty array. Length. That's this length. And it's gonna fill with the index. And I had the side, I had the top side and like the bottom left, bottom right side. So I'm gonna make a function that returns ng style for it. Top side has a height of the width, and S3 side there is a southeast side, which is the bottom right side, and that has height of side. And we see on our screen we see 3 sides. So the last side will be southwest side. It is bottom left side. Height yes. That thing right there will automatically put units for us. Very handy. And we need to get this guy. We need to do this for let me finish writing and let's do this. So by default, all three sides have different height, but they all have the same width. And index will be index. So the stack that has a lower, they will have a lower z index. So they gonna behind the stack above them. So that's what it is for. And you need to get class. I should name it better, but so this is for, it's gonna alternate the color. It was like blue and green, I think. So if it's odd, it's like a green. I'm gonna show like green. If it's even, I'm gonna show like a blue. So class name, and based on that, I'm gonna add the class. And ISO stack. So I'm following convention. Okay, first color. Is it odd? Then it's a green and blue, but I'm gonna just call it black and white. And direction. If it's odd or northwest and northeast. The one was going this way, one was going this way. So northwest side towards northwest, towards northeast. So that's the direction that the stack is gonna move. Side is top. If that is side is top. Return name. Block name, side, block name. Oh, I'm getting so confused. Block name side. Next I'm gonna side again. Direction. Block name. Side. Color. Yeah, it's very long. I should have come up with a better way. I'm still working on it. So yeah. And if the side is the top, I'm just roll with it. And get color. That's about it, and that's after that we're gonna come back to components and add some angular animation. Until then, let's go to HTML section. So right now we are at HTML. Let's see. So create div class class Isometric. That's our block name. And we're gonna ng4 then io array sequence as and use style and just get style based on the index. And what for the rest is animation. I'm gonna do that at the end. And if this is the side, and you pull that side or that side. Since this is object, we wanna use key value pipe and class that side. And style side value ng class get class side key boom. Let's see what we get. We get nothing. And now we're gonna move on to CSS. Here's good. Any errors? Everything is fine. Now we wanna go to CSS. This is some preset I set up. We're gonna use says math and says color. And we're gonna need this math cosine 30-degree value in order to develop isometric view. So the person who found it, he was saying just use that numbers. So I'm using it. And this is a mixing. So modifier is the name of color, and color is basically the color. And based on that color, I'm gonna assign the color to top. And the southwest side will have a negative 25% lightness, and southeast side will have a negative 50% lightness, which means the southeast side has a darker color than our southwest. And based on that, I'm gonna just create color class with the color. That's it. So we're gonna start with writing CSS for a host. Display flags. Specify content, center, align item. I'm usually gonna center it with the flags. Flags direction color. Let's see if we get anything. We aren't getting anything. And the background image. Linear gradients. E66465 919885 position positive Z index Z index. The background is gonna go way have behind of Z index. And there is our background. Now let's go to Microstate side with 100% position absolute left 0 0 top 0. You basically What's going on? Position 0. Why am I getting this? Oh, that expect. Rocket expected. But I put bracket here though, that's why it's not 8%. Sorry about it. Where did it go? And top side. Background. Size cover. Position. Is something wrong with it or is it not showing? Who's back? Oh, yeah, go top those tests. It has the transform. Translate right. Translate y 9%. Rotate v 30 degree. Skew x negative 3 degree. And that's gonna be our speed. And background is assets pages ZPZ. Let's see if we get anything. Yeah, why is it? Was it not showing anything? Okay, they're there. We just need this CSS. We gotta put style on it. And that's it's similar to northeast, but there's a little change. We just flip the sign. And that should be it. And yeah. So there's a isometric when there was like a method called like SSR method, but SSR method was not working, so I was like playing with it, and then looks like RSS to just flip SNR and make it RSS, and that worked. And you just to apply some translate in the right direction. Now that's gonna bring the side up, so and it's gonna work. And just try and error a million times and you're gonna get that right. And southwest side, transform, rotate v 30 with skew x 3. Again, I'm applying RSS method and not SSR because it's not working for CSS for my case. Translate x negative 95%. Is right. That's right. And on another side will be. I should take everything out and then put that in a component. So if I rewrite this, I will take out everything here and bring this to Angular component. and just write in there. And actually, maybe not this. I don't know. The reason that color, it's gonna be the color 01691. The other color will be 40E0D0. That's it. So I have gone this far. So that's basically the CSS part, and all I have to do is throw some animation, but it's not working. It's not working. Why is that? Why is that? Why is it not working? Where did I make a mistake? Oh, that. So that's a 2 dashes. So its modifier is a band naming convention. Modifier has a 2 dashes. ISO stack. Why are you there? Yeah, I thought I was gonna make a quick video, and turns out I am stuck, and I gotta fix it. Oh, that is too wonderful. This. Oh man, it's like finding typos. What's going on? Everything right? Everything right? Get size. I guess that didn't matter. I guess that didn't matter. Where is the problem? I'm gonna pause the video and come back. Is it stop recording? Okay, I fixed it. There are some typos here and there. So there are some typos, here like underscores and stuff. Please double check. And starting from top, I have to add a position of a relative. And coming here, that is SE. SWSE, and the angle, make sure the signs are right. The southwest side is positive, or negative. Southeast side is negative, and positive. And there any more typos? Let me go through. And that's about it. So basically, now I have like 9 stacks. I have rendered. I set length of array to be 9, so there are 9 stacks stacked each other. Now we're gonna add animation and see how it looks. So before we do that, we have to add another. So go back to components. We're gonna for this animate state. This is just animation state, so that's basically end state. We're gonna have 2 states: start the state and end the state. So we're gonna host binding animate. That's gonna be our trigger name. Get animate. Return this animate. So, and we're gonna need actually state string is animate state, and we want to have a getter for animate. Return this animate, and this typo. What? That's gonna be our post binding, and we wanna need a listener for when animation is finished. We wanna make it run again, so we need host a listener animate done. Listener animation event, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna change the state. If to state is end, we have to start state. If not, end state. And what am I getting here? Close parentheses. And it says 2 stage not found. In that case, just import that interface, and it's gonna take care of it. And that's that. And one more thing, we're gonna need any index window. -1 Oh, currently typos. Okay, next. Return x greater. That's just when convert the pixel or what number to pixels. Change the unit. And it's the same thing. Dun, 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 dun. And these are we need to do for animation. What's going on? Because the animation will have like a stagger the timing, and setting position where they look, they are stacked, and those. We need it for that. And we visit HTML and anime child. That's our trigger for child. So the host will be our parent. Our host will be our parent animation, and then in the stack, each stack will be our child animation. The reason we are doing it this way is it has to have a animation in order to have like each child element to keep their state persist. We have to assign their own animation microstate. That way, after animation is finished, each stack will keep their state. So value. So that's why I am doing it this way. Value animate is a state. If you remember. Column to get and column index and that's that. Now we are in animation, and we're gonna have particular state first style, and opacity is 0, and transform, translate. We have X. Start. So that's gonna be our starting point. That's not state, that's a style. I said it wrong. Opacity, transform, translate Y, calibration. That's gonna be our and we want to export post animation trigger. The name for trigger is animate. And transition. Dun, dun, dun. So the asterisk is just whatever state The initial state it's gonna be void state, and then that state to start the state. Then we're gonna query the ISO stack and stagger. Then for one, everything will have a 1 second stagger. Animate child. Oh man, the bracket's killing me. Oh, we don't need that. We don't need a comma. So we need another stage transition with it to end. And for this, it just -1. Export constant child animation trigger animate child. And here we needed to declare state start, and we have to assign default value for that. Okay, and end the state. And we need so that's when start I want to position my stack based on this coordination, and that's my end coordination. This state and transition and transition whatever state to end transition. So from start animate to I'm just gonna say and so what else do I need? That's for transition 1, the other transition from whatever state to start, and that's gonna be end to start. So now it's gonna alternate back and forth. The reason why I'm not using keyframe is when you apply like a stagger and like combine bunch of child animation, and there you go, this is very angular animation. The great solution for complex animation, I think. Yeah, that's my opinion. So one more thing is I have to import that. So type goes down. Now import animation child animation from where? From there. And why? Animations. Okay. Bam, it's working. Boom, 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 boom. Going back. Coming out. And start again. Going in, pizza and sushi. going in. Yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple. Yeah, so thank you for watching.